Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel MeCodeAnt. In today's tutorial, we're going to create a mesmerizing 3D cube animation with a flowing water wave effect using just HTML and CSS. This effect is perfect for making your website stand out and can be easily customized to suit your own creative projects. So let's dive right in. Our first step is to set up the basic HTML structure. We'll start by creating a simple HTML file. Let's take a look at the code. Here's what we're doing. We're setting up a basic HTML file structure. We have a scene div, which acts as the container for our 3D cube. Inside the scene div, we have another div called cube. This div will hold all the faces of our cube. Finally, we have 4 face divs: front, back, left, and right. These represent the different faces of the cube that we will style in CSS. Now that we have our HTML structure in place, let's move on to the CSS. We'll start with some basic resets and body styling. Let's break this down. The star selector resets the margin, padding, and box sizing for all elements to ensure consistency across different browsers. Body styling, we're using Flexbox to center our scene in the middle of the viewport, both horizontally and vertically. We also set the height of the body to 100 VH 100% of the viewport height and apply a dark background color to make the cube stand out. Perspective, the perspective property gives our scene a sense of depth, making it appear 3D. Scene, the scene class is our container that holds the cube. We set the size and position it relative to the body. The transform style preserve 3D ensures that all child elements within this container will maintain their 3D transformations. Now that our layout is set, let's focus on styling the cube and its faces. Cube styling, the .cube class controls the overall 3D transformation of the cube. We use transform style preserve 3D to maintain the 3D effect within the cube. The rotatex and rotaty properties will later allow us to animate the cube's rotation. The animation property sets up a continuous spinning animation. Face styling, each face of the cube is an absolutely positioned div. The faces are semi-transparent with white borders to enhance visibility. The text inside each face is centered using Flexbox, making it easy to customize. Now, let's position each face to form the 3D cube. We'll start with the front and back faces. Positioning the faces, the transform property is used to rotate and position each face. The front face is rotated by -30 degrees on the x-axis and then translated forward, while the back face is rotated by 30 degrees and translated backward. This gives our cube its depth. Water wave effect, the before pseudo element on each face creates a flowing water wave effect. The clip path property is used to define the shape of the waves, and the flow animation adjusts this shape over time to simulate the motion of water. You can generate clip path shapes as per your needs here. Just draw the shape and copy-paste the code. That's it. These sides are rotated 90 degrees on the y-axis to face sideways. They are then positioned correctly in 3D space using translatee and translatee and translates. The clip path property is applied to give these sides a unique shape, making the cube Jacob look more dynamic. Finally, let's add some motion to our cube with a spinning animation. The spin animation rotates the cube 360 degrees on both the x and y axis. It does so continuously over 10 seconds with a linear speed, creating a smooth, endless spinning effect. And there you have it. We've successfully created a 3D cube with a beautiful water wave effect using nothing but HTML and CSS. This design is fully customizable, so feel free to play around with the colors, shapes, and animations to make it your own. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome web design content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.